Coverable buttons are available in an assortment of sizes. This is 3/8, so it's quite small. They consist of two parts, the top button part with the teeth and the shank, and the back that snaps in place over the shank. I just eyeball how big of a circle I need to go around the dome of the button and meet at the middle. Find something about the size you need, like a spool of thread, to use as a pattern. My fabric is a little sheer, and you can see some of the metal through it. I'm going to let it stay that way because it complements the sheen of the velvet dress it's going on. But if that's not the look you're going for, either double up your fabric or use some interfacing to block out that shiny metal. Now load up a needle with thread and knot the end. Sew small stitches near the edge, but not so close that it's going to rip out of the fabric. I'm staying about 1/8 of an inch away from the edge. We're basically sewing a very small easing stitch around the perimeter of the fabric circle. Once you get all the way around the circle, place the top of the button in the fabric and gently tighten that easing stitch to gather the circle around the button. Go slowly and gather the fabric smoothly around the edge of the button. Once it's holding the button nicely, knot the thread to hold the tension there. Then use your fingernail, an awl, or any other little tool to push the fabric around the little teeth in the button so they latch into the fabric circle like this. Once the teeth are holding the fabric securely, put the back of the button over the shank with the indented side facing in like this. Press the edges until you feel it click into place. And just like that, your button is done.